The stories that exist about the Bermuda Triangle are fascinating, from UFO sightings to ship disappearance. There are a lot of testimonies that will shake any researcher. In this video we will focus especially on the case of Bruce Jernan, the man who made a time journey through the area of Bermuda Triangle. Bruce Jernan is a certified seaplane flight instructor and a master captain with a Coast Guard license. He and his dad had been flying their own plane in the Bahamas since 1967 and had made at least a dozen flights to and from Andros Island. The incident took place on December 4, 1970. At 3 p.m. Bruce, along with his dad and Chuck Lafayette, a business associate, lifted off the runway at Andros Town Airport in a brand new Beechcraft Bonanza A36. According to Bruce, shortly after takeoff, he noticed a mysterious cloud in the air in the middle of a clear, unobstructed sky. It was a typical lenticular cloud that he had never seen that low. Without paying any attention, Bruce accelerated the plane to get through the cloud. As soon as he entered the cluster, he began to notice the air became denser, and within a short time the plane was completely enveloped by the cloud and the visibility was reduced to 7 or 8 kilometers. There were white flashes that lit up the sky without any lightning or raining. He took the plane up to 3,000 meters of altitude but was not able to get out of the cluster. All the electronic components inside his plane, including his compass, stopped working, and soon Bruce realized that the plane was trapped in the middle of a huge ring of strange clouds and there was no way to get over or under it. Later he noticed a large U-shaped opening on the west side of the donut cloud. He decided to take a chance and flew straight towards it. As he approached, he saw the top ends of the U-gap join, forming a tunnel, and he could see the clear blue sky on the other side of it. According to Bruce, the tunnel was large at entering, but later shrank. Inside the tunnel all he saw were flashes and a gray fog, which he later called the electronic fog. The plane passed through the tunnel in 20 seconds, and during that time Bruce and the others experienced several seconds of weightlessness. When Bruce Jernan finally got out of the tunnel, he saw the barrier island of Miami Beach directly below. At that point in the flight, he should have been at Bimini, nearly 90 miles from Miami. Soon his radio started working. He contacted the Miami ATC and landed at the Palm Beach International Airport. If you have made up to this part of the video, take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. I will be uploading one video every week. Now back to the topic. After Bruce landed on the airport, he realized that the flight, which usually takes 75 minutes, took less than 35 minutes. The journey lasted for about half an hour, but it was an experience that changed Bruce's life. The case of Bruce Jernan is astonishing because so far he has been one of the few who has crossed the Bermuda Triangle and returned home to tell the story. In 2005, Bruce published his book The Fog about his incident. Since then he has appeared in a number of documentaries about the Bermuda Triangle, in which he describes his space-time warp experience. To this day the question still remains about how a Beechcraft Bonanza A36 traveled 250 miles in less than 35 minutes when its top speed is just 200 miles per hour.